Kia ora everybody, welcome to My Head is Awesome. I'm Nick.
I'm Dan. G'day.
G'day! G'day mate! Today we're going to teach you how to actually use Vegemite. Incoming!
Vegemite is another great New Zealand innovation that the Aussies have just stolen and claimed for themselves. They're all just thieves and pirates.
Except Hugh Jackman.
All hail Hugh. So if you come across an Aussie that's got a great idea, he probably stole it from a Kiwi.
The one thing they haven't stolen is Vogel's toast. Great New Zealand toast, whole meal, small boy, thin cut. You want to put the toast in the toaster?
Yes, ma'am. Please cook faster.
What to do when waiting for your toast to cook? Start a band.
Ding 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 ding.
Woohoo!
Ding 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 ding.
Bread frisbee. Success! Have a touching moment with a loved one. You know, Dad, you've always been like a father to me.
Don't touch me. Juggling with one piece. Juggling with two pieces.
I'll make it big.
Go. Now we're talking. Hey, toaster. Right, I will safely take it out with my bone-handled knife. That's why you have the bone handle, so you don't get fried. Right, while it's still hot, it's the important time. Oh. You know CPR, right?
Yeah, I like lots of butter.
I like a thin coating of butter and let it melt in there. Now time for the magic. This is not peanut butter, guys. It's a smear of it.
Just like a tiny little bit.
And you don't want too much. The other important thing with this is, once you've finished, that you always cut your toast in diagonals. It is so much more fun to eat.
I like to cut my Vogels in half.
No!
James, you're chewing already!
Now, what else you can do that? I've got another piece for you.
Oh, you do too?
Do the same again. Jeez. Is sparking a good thing in the toaster?
Yeah, it means the electricity's on.
What we do is put a little bit more on.
And look, Vegemite is just meant to bring out the flavour of the other foods.
It adds a flavour that Gordon Ramsay never could.
If you got too much, just put it back in there. It doesn't matter if there's butter on it, you'll be right.
Yeah.
Should be right, mate.
You grate a little on top of that one we just did.
I want lots. This is called Mousetrap. It's a Kiwi invention that the Australians have not tried to claim. I told you it'd be hot!
Don't take a tray out of there with no, just your bare skin. We're throwing this straight in the oven.
There's got it in the oven.
Now cook the crap out of it. Another product that New Zealand has, which no one else seems to have, is chicken flavoured chips, or crisps as they call them in other less developed areas of the world. What we used to all get sent to school with is chicken and Vegemite sandwiches. So what you use is this stuff which
the chips bread you can buy.
It would survive nuclear war, you know?
Yeah.
Vegemite is next.
Vegemite it up.
Yeah, you can slash on as much as you
Yeah, you
like.
can put on a little more.
But it's not jam.
It's not, yeah, not as much as you would a peanut butter, but you can put on just a little more because there's going to be, like, there's more bread in here this time.
And only on one piece, right? Don't do both pieces.
Yeah, don't do both. What are you doing?
Jeez.
I like to really rack it up.
Die of Vegemite poisoning.
Yeah, but that's a good death. It's
Yeah,
a noble death.
Oh.
So I've gone wild with it, whereas you really should have more of a subtle flavour.
What we get is a bit of chips now.
And you put them on the semi.
What is that? It's a burnt one. How come I got that?
I like the burnt ones.
Good.
Now usually you take these to school. Yeah, check it out.
You do. And so, by the time you get to school, like I say, they're all a bit soggy and awful. So,
And you got to crunch them. You ready?
go. 3.
And you got to cut them in half.
Right, to me.
Oh, you're cutting your...
You got to get the crust off. Yes, man.
Crust make your hair curly.
We now have some bread for the birds. So we're actually helping the environment by eating this rubbish.
Here's our cheese toast!
Hey.
Immediately cutting it in half.
Someone calls these grilled cheese, don't they?
No, grilled cheese is a toasted sandwich.
Oh, okay. Cut diagonals.
No, with my Vogels, I always find cutting it long ways is better.
Always tasty. Good standard Kiwi tucker.
So cheese. What do you think happen if we put chips in this?
The world would explode. The taste sensation would be too good.
It's worth it. You're ready for this?
Watch out. Told ya.
2 jars of Vegemite and a block of cheese later. We've been eating Vegemite for 6 years.
I can't eat any more cheese.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it.
Wow.
Where My Head is awesome. Have a great day. We love you. Goodbye.
This is how you eat food in Kiwi land.
Oh.
But it's not so much next time.
All
Hail.
hail